Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tech. So very quickly in this video, I'm going to be talking about NFT staking and how it works. So NFT staking is actually a new way to earn passive income in the crypto world. It actually lets the NFT holders to lock their assets in the DeFi platforms in order for them to receive rewards, all without them needing to sell their NFT collections. So similar to the DeFi yield farming and the crypto staking, so NFT staking also relies on the proof of stakes mechanisms to actually reward participants. That is, it allows participants to be able to lock up the NFT and receive rewards and based on the annual percentages and actually the number of NFT the user stakes. So at an individual level, NFT staking actually benefits investors as the overall supply tends to be lower. But in a broader context, NFT staking brings new use cases to NFTs and that goes beyond the idea of actually collecting digital art. The problem about NFT is that when we talk about NFT actually the full meaning of NFT is non-fungible tokens, and most people think of them as digital representations of artworks and collectibles that could potentially grow in value over time. Just the way we believe in cryptocurrency, actually NFT, I believe, is the future of cryptocurrency, the future of the metaverse. Now, some NFT projects share parts of their revenues to their community of NFT holders. Such communities, maybe they are very, very rich, they actually do share part of their revenues to the back to the community. But as the NFT market goes, developers, artists, collectors, and exploring the new use of this case of NFT to actually make money, because now that's why staking is here. So going into NFT profile, like I've said earlier, NFT staking actually refers to the locking up of NFTs on platforms or protocols to receive staking rewards and other privileges. It actually allows the NFT holders to earn passive income while still maintaining the ownership of their NFTs. So while NFT staking is still in its infancy compared to cryptocurrency staking, which we have a lot of people going into it, there are lots of new platform coming up right now that will be able to lock our NFTs on the platform so that we can receive rewards depending on the annual percentages and actually the number of the NFTs we stake. So, due to the unique nature of NFTs, so investors, collectors, and they generally prefer to hold and speculate, right? Because NFT staking opens up a new opportunity for them to monetize their assets, which is a could be like it's a potential that could attract more people to participate, and so that the market, that is why we're actually teaching these things so that people will understand and we have more people in the NFT space. So staking an NFT is just like staking your Bitcoin or Ethereum. So all you need is a cryptocurrency wallet with NFTs, but you should understand that not every NFT can be staked to earn rewards, right? The requirements vary from different projects, so it's better for you to check the preferred project before you acquire the NFTs. So the question is really where we can actually stake our NFTs. So as of December 2021, most NFT staking opportunity actually come from play to earn games such as Mobox and Zookeeper. So these are the major two examples that are actually trending. Mobox and Zookeeper are actually the top right now. So some projects are actually on developing, right? They are also developing their NFT staking capabilities on their platforms. Binance Fan Token platform is actually developing right now. We're actually developing the ability so that we will be able to offer more NFT staking opportunities. But we can actually use Mobox. Mobox is actually very interesting because Mobox is a play to earn gaming. It's in the metaverse system. I'll be teaching a lot about metaverse in my upcoming video. So Mobox is a play to earn gaming metaverse that combines both DeFi yield farming with NFTs. So it is built on the Binance Smart Chain. It allows players to actually stake NFTs to earn rewards in native cryptocurrency Mbox. So Mobox Mbox is a cryptocurrency, is listed on Binance and it's actually pretty doing very well. So the Mobox metaverse is called the Mobox. Momo. It's called Momo. Momo verse. So and the NFTs are called Momos. So you can actually mint them, you can earn them, you can purchase them from the NFT marketplace. So each of the Momo has actually different qualities and they are randomly generated with hash power. So it's very actual. So I would like you guys to actually check the Mobo's NFTs. The Momo NFTs can be used to across any of the Mobox partner platforms. It can be used in Binance. It can be used in other platforms. For example, you can use your stake Pancake Swap profile NFTs on the Mobox without having to unstake them from Pancake Swap. So it's very, very exciting. We also have the one I talked about, Zookeeper also. Zoo is also a gamified yield platform that we can actually use to stake our NFTs. So, but there's an interesting aspect I want to talk about, which is the NFT power stations on the Binance Fan token platform. So, Binance is actually the first crypto exchange to offer an NFT charging system. Now, on the Binance Fans token platform, token holders can actually charge their favorite team supported NFTs to earn extra Binance Fans tokens. So, Binance Fan tokens are utility tokens issued by Plot Club. We have a lot of them coming up on the Binance Smart Chain. They are very plenty. They are very plenty. So the Binance Fans allows sports fans to access the special club specs. It's an exclusive ticket that limited edition merchandise voting. You can use it to do so lot. NFT is it's very interesting for me. I enjoy it. I actually love it. So if you want to learn more, I'll be doing more videos on NFT. So rounding up this topic, NFT staking actually allows participants to make an extra income from their ideal NFT connection. So instead of keeping your NFT collections without a seller, you can actually stake them so that you can be earning while you are holding them. At the same time, NFT is creating new use cases for NFTs that were never explored before. So it might be too early to tell, but you will probably be seeing new NFT staking opportunities being created, not only for NFT collectors, but also within the play to earn gaming industry and areas powered by blockchain technology. So guys, thank you very much. If you this video has added any value to you in any way, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned, guys.